Alright, here we go, guys. This is the Rasmus Dahlin Quad Diamond Raz for Jason Supnet. There's the card, 60 of 99. Take the list, it's 100 spots. Sunil on the bottom. Ed Lowe on top. We are going to randomize this list 4 times, guys. Top name gets the card. Timestamps will be posted after the second and third random. It is cross-posted in No Regretskis and 604 break, or 604 trip buy sell trade. I'm just going to write live. And live. We are live at 10:29. 10:29. Copy the list over. Sunil on the bottom. Slowly go up the list so everybody can see their name or names if you have multiple spots. And Ed Lowe on top. Good luck, guys. Timestamps after 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. First timestamp is in. At 10:30. Fourth and final time, guys. The winner of the card is Brendan Sam. Congratulations, spot 19. You are the winner. Get your information over to Jason Supnet, and he'll get that card right out to you. Final timestamp is in 10:30. And 10:30 here as well. 10:30 still here in Surrey, British Columbia. We went 4 times, yes. 4 times. Winner is Brandon Sam. Congratulations, we're done. Thanks, guys. Have a good rest of your night. Cheers.